These are inexpensive $15 wireless Nintendo Switch remotes. These are generic brand. Made from Tinbinx, it seems. This one costs $15. Uses USB-C, which is nice. It didn't say in the ad. Here is the instructions. A lot of it in Chinese. Charge port is on top. This is the instructions. You can hook it up manually. That's step one, using the USB, or you can hook it up wirelessly, this is the part that I'm more concerned about. It says press the power switch button to start the host. And then after booting, go to controller settings, change grip order, and hold the home button for 5 seconds. That's it. That's what it says. Then there's an alternate method. We'll see. Hopefully there's some power in here. Let's try this out. Pressing A into there, and I want to go into controllers, change grip order. Okay, so this one is fine. They say over here I need to press and hold the home button for 4 seconds. See, it's in there. You hear the beep? The remote showed up. Hopefully it's that easy. And it shows I'm on number 2. It was what's it called? What's the word? It had electric in it already. So that was really easy setting up. If it didn't work, I would have to do this method. Not this one, it's down here. Somewhere here. Clear the switch controller cache. As if there's too many Bluetooth devices. So it goes to system settings. Go to format options and reset cache. And if that works, you can go back to here and set up the remote, pressing the home button. So the home button is the H button over here. So everything's set up. I can use it, and let me go give this a try. So I'm playing Kirby, one of the Kirby games on my Switch. So far, the remote seems pretty decent. There's nothing out of the ordinary. It's easy to set up. You saw me press the home button. And controls seem standard. Has the feel of a PlayStation remote. Versus you have this little boxy thing over here. So far it's pretty decent. Again, I got this for $15. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it now. It's easy to set up and seems like your standard remote. Only main difference is the other buttons. Instead of being set up like the standard Switch remote, I'm not sure if this is like the Switch Plus Pro or whatever remote, but so far so good. I'm gonna go charge this now. The cable itself is about about 2 feet, so it's not super long. I'm gonna hook this up to the Switch. It's over here. Just plugging it into the side over here. I'll plug it in right now. I love it when they make it difficult. Just plugged it in. It's now blinking, indicating it's charging, I believe. Let me go unplug it. So when it's charging, it's blinking blue. And go plug it in again. So this is how you know it's charging. It's blinking blue like this. That's it. Super, pretty easy.